Welcome to the Researcher Workbench Dataset Builder and Concept Sets tutorial video. Now that I have created and reviewed a cohort, I have a list of participants to include in my research project. Next, I want to extract data about my cohort for analysis. For this, I will use the Dataset Builder tool. A dataset is a table containing data about a cohort that can be exported to a Jupyter notebook for analysis. To build our dataset with Dataset Builder, we select our cohort of interest, our concept sets, which are a filter for the rows we want to analyze, and values, which are a filter for the columns we want to analyze. Let's select our major depression cohort along with the all surveys concept set and all values. This dataset now has one row per question per member in the cohort. This means that there are a lot of rows in the resulting table, not all of which are relevant to our study. Note that this is synthetic data, so you may see different information if you are running this exercise along with this tutorial. Let's say I am only interested in specific questions in the overall health survey describing how participants characterize their mental health. I can use concept sets to choose these specific concepts and create a smaller dataset that is relevant to my analysis. I create a concept set from the overall health questions. Then search for mental health, add, then save concept set. Then I name my concept set and save. When I select the overall health questions concept set instead of all surveys, I see the resulting table has fewer rows than when I selected all surveys. This concept set now includes only the data that is most relevant to my research project. This is how we leverage concept sets while we are building our dataset. I can now go back to the Dataset Builder, select our cohort, the pre-created demographics concept set, and our custom concept set. Select Values is where I can choose specific information related to concepts that I want to include in our dataset. For example, I may want to include values that describe information about the survey question, the answers a participant gave to the question, and the date a participant took the survey. Using Dataset Builder and concept sets, I now have the participants I want to study, demographic information about those participants, and the answers that they have provided to specific survey questions. Now I'm ready to save my dataset by naming it, creating a new notebook, naming the notebook, and choosing which language I will use to analyze my data. See the Notebooks and Code Snippets tutorial video for more information on the Jupyter Notebooks tool.